You gonna put those back on there since you pulled them all off? You got it? Oh no! What? Yeah, there's more over there. Go get it. Go get the other one. You got your boots on the wrong feet.
Can you guess who this is?
No!
Don't throw that at the tree. Put them on there.
No!
Keep guessing.
Whoa! Whoa! Uh-oh!
Oh, don't touch. Don't touch.
It's Victor.
Can you say bye? Say bye-bye.